Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my summer landscape workshop, I will work on how to paint different kind of water surfaces with contour lines. We will travel together and back to the time of Ma Yuan around 800 years ago and learn from this famous master how to use contour lines to represent different kind of water surface. Whether it is the pond surface with a light breeze or a time when there are lots of waves, we will work on each of them together. And before we end the workshop, I will demonstrate a portion of recreating my artwork of a painting of a lighthouse in Maine that we will focus on how to do some of the waves in the traditional contour methods. So I hope to see you in my August 18th workshop, focusing on how to do waves and different kind of water surfaces using contour line. This is an interesting and unique workshop that you may not be able to find anywhere else. So hope to see you on August 18th in my water surface workshop. Thank you, bye-bye.